Hi, Kathy here from kathyskutekreations. Today I have my Creative Notions bag, and we're going to open that up. Okay, so I got my scissors here. I always worry that I'm going to cut into something when I have to cut it. Let me point this camera to the table here so we can see what all we got. Ooh, a pretty little yellow bag. Okay. Oh, that's nice. I like yellow. And she's got a little tag here. Look at that. Okay. There we go. And here's our little Zappy Dot. Believe in yourself and the world will believe in you too. Molly's Grandma in Stand Tall Molly. Let's show it to you there. And here's the button. It's got little stars on it. There you go. Put that on here. And then we got a pen. It says, so much fabric, so little time. Purple, my favorite color. Let's take it out of there so we'll take a look at it. There you go. It's got a nice feel to it. It's not slick. It's got a grip on it, so you won't lose it. Looks like we've got a piece of candy. I wonder if that's actually a lemon flavor of some sort. And then we have quilt labels and a pen. New House #1 all-purpose marker. Oh my gosh, look at those. Let's get this out of here so we can take a look at it. It's got 5 labels, various sizes. Okay. It's stuck to the little glue that holds the pen. Oh, that's pretty. Look at this one here. Ugh. Look at that. Of course, it's got the instructions, so you know how to put them on, because it's not going to do you any good if you don't have instructions. Let's take a look at them. Let me flip them over here. Stick to that. All right, first let's get rid of this bag, because I'll put it in a Ziploc. Okay, so there's handmade. And you saw this one. Notice that they're different sizes here. There's that one. This one's pretty. So happy to make this for you. Okay, let me set them aside. And I'm going to guess that this pen that's coming with it here is for writing. This one here. And then we have the booklet that tells you about it. It says, nothing can dim the light that shines from within. Choose to shine, making memories one stitch at a time. And it tells us the fabric, tells you the cost of everything. So let's look at this book. Oh, and I think we have a recipe. Yes, cranberry walnut bread. That looks good. And Karen Lee sent that in. Because, you know, she's taking, Vicky's taking different recipes. And we've got a planner, a maker's planner. Get that out of the bag here. nice. And then it has this little thing right here to hold it so it doesn't flop open on you. Your personal information. Oh yeah, look at this little zippered compartment that's attached to here. Remember when you were in school, you used to put your pencils, your pens, your pencil sharpener, and your eraser in there, your ruler, protractor, whatever. And then here it has the dates that are highlighted there, which is pretty neat. And then let's see. So okay, so January has the churn dash block. That's what it looks like. And then here's a habit tracker. So it's got a lot of things. It's got a little pocket here on the side, so you can put some items in there. And this is what the tracker looks like. And then here's your calendar, like that. I think each page might have something different on it. Oh yeah, this is really nice. I can give it a flip. So that's a project sheet. You can do a lot of different writing and things. Keep track of all the stuff that you're doing. That's pretty neat. So 2 pages of that. And then here you can put pictures. Just got 4 of them. Right here, you slip them in. And then the next block is the friendship, I think it's friendship star block. That's for the month of February. Same thing, you got your habit tracker at the front, and then you've got your calendar, and then you have the 2 sheets, the project sheets. Let's see here. I actually got 3 on that month, and then now for March, it's the Ohio Star. Lainey, I cannot pick you up, babe. Nope, I can't. So it's everything, and then every month you're going to have the place for your pictures. You'll have notes on the back if you need them, and then each one's going to have a block. This is called the economy block, which actually looks like a square and a square and a square. And then May, it has the sawtooth star block, which is what this is. And you know, when you make that middle right here, you can fussy cut that if you'd like. And if you're making it for the months, like let's say that you wanted to make it just like this, then you could actually put the month of May in there. June has the pineapple block. July is the tulip block. And then it tells you the important dates down here at the bottom. See? There's the block. I don't think anywhere it tells you how to make that block. That would be interesting. But I don't think it has it in there. You can look it up though. Just double make sure here. I don't see it giving out a website or anything for it. Okay, August is your thread spool block. And then some more important dates down there. September is the leaf block. And if you're following along with me, you saw us make that. I made that together. October is the Old Maid's puzzle block. Now keep in mind that these are These do have more than one name because you might have seen this block underneath a different name. November is the log cabin. And December is the Christmas tree block. Now let's see if they added anything to the telling of that. No, they do have the pictures though. You can't have the pictures. So that's pretty nice. Everybody can use a planner. And then we have our fabric, and it looks like there is a panel on the top here. Let me see. Maybe it's... Okay, it says, "This is your moment." It is flowers. Contempts. Choose to shine. Cherry. Guiding of cherry blossoms. No, it's not guiding. Looks like gildry of cherry blossoms. Quilting studio for Benatar. All right, let's open it up and take a look at it. Let me see if I can back up a little bit here and put the camera up for y'all. Let's see if I can get enough of it in there. That's a long panel too. But you know, you can cut all these out and make something with it. You don't have to leave it in one solid panel. Make sure I got it all in there. That's really, really nice. Let's take a look at the fabrics. Okay. Here's a real pretty color. It almost looks like it's got purple in it. So the camera's definitely not going to do it justice because the camera looks like it's gray. And I don't have my light up here because it went out on me. Let me open it up a little bit bigger so y'all can see it. There you go. This is nice with all the words. Shine. Kindness. There you go. Oh, here's a really, really pretty pink, and it's got wording on it too. Bring your own sunshine, it says. Let's hold it this way so I think you can read it. There we go. Isn't that a pretty color? Oh my gosh. It's really nice. And then here's some flowers. Gonna need to make that bread. Alrighty, so it says referral program. Share your package with a friend, and if they sign up, you will get your next package for free. And their website is creativenotionsquiltshop.com. You can call them. And thank you, Karen, for that really good-looking cranberry bread. That recipe, I like cranberries in my bread. And those labels look really nice also. I'll lay it out here so y'all can see everything, okay? There we go. Here's everything that was in the Creative Notions box this month, January. Here's the labels. There's about the referral program. Here's the fabric. The pen, and there's the information about the website and everything. Make sure you can see it without the glare on it. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye, everybody. So after I finished my video, I went ahead and I opened up this book. and realized I left out the beginning of the book. So I'm coming back for a few minutes here to show you what I missed. So on the very first page, we have our personal information. Well, after I flipped beyond here, which I showed in the video, I missed this page. And so this is a yardage chart. Hopefully you guys can see this. And it gives you an idea about your layout. And this page, which is very, very informative, is all the different abbreviations and the acronyms for quilting. See? B.O.B., block on board, B.O.M., block of the month, and it just goes down in alphabetical order. And then some fun things, which people have added after the fact, are these here. And who doesn't like that bottom one? Actually, it should say, wish somebody would complete it. Not make it, because I enjoy making it, but sometimes I want somebody else to complete it. And then we have fabric groups, which I found very interesting. Let me back it up a little bit here. And on this page, which is very important, is the color wheel. Now here is the entire year. So if you had to circle certain dates that you'd go back into your book in to look back on or to go forward, or dates due of something, you can put it on this sheet right here and you'd have it right at a glance without having to flip through the whole entire book. And I think that was it. Let me double check. Oh, and here's a swap planner, which I thought was pretty good because, you know, we have swap groups. That's a pretty neat page. And you can have photos here. And another thing I was thinking about when I got off of here, for this little thing that I made a comment that it was pictures. Okay, this little thing here. It can also be swatches of different fabric. Now you put it in through the top. This way it doesn't fall out. So I just wanted to slip in and say that real quick for you guys. I'm going to put this at the tail end of my video. So if you ever watch them to the very tail end, you're going to catch this part. If you don't, you're going to miss this part. Okay?